Hey friends, welcome to my crib. Let's step inside, see what's going on in this place. First off, we have a 8 kilowatt diesel heater on the outside here as an auxiliary heater. When it gets super cold out, funnels right in. Here we go, we're stepping up. In here, we got a little wallpaper on the ceiling. Got cabinets. Everything's solar powered. In here's our utility closet. We got an inverter, battery, fuse box behind that mess of wires, charge control panel. This is my bed. Pretty cozy. I'm 6'3" and lay all the way out on that thing. This is where the dog sleeps. I use this as a bench seat, kind of chill area, sofa type. I scoured the Pennsylvania antique shops and got all these signs and license plates covering the walls. In here, got some reading, some bungee straps to close the fabric on the sides. More reading. And another technology cabinet. Over here is where we cook. 3-burner stove, propane heater. That's my common use heater. I go through about 5 gallons of propane every 2 weeks. Using that all winter long. Propane's running the fridge as well. Got enough space. All good. Back here, that's where the diesel heater vent comes in. When it gets frigid out, I'll fire up that diesel heater. Uses about a gallon a night. In here is my pantry. Well, we got we got some fixins for some burritos. Not bad, not bad. Down here, it's just useless junk. Some diesel tanks for the diesel heater. In here, we've got our toilet, cassette toilet, 2 gallons of water to flush, and then a reserve tank. So that's my home out here at the homestead.